Hey guys, this is Raymond Channel, and I'm gonna having a crazy ass magazine from the Crossfire Human. So you need first a white magazine, and then we need a green magazine, and you need to a one medium one, which I pick Red Revise. So first, take up this and just the same from the white magazine. At Put this one from here, just turn it around, and then put this on here, and then this one put it in here. Wait, and then there you go. And then attach from the medium one. And there you go. It's really crazy. You can see the white magazine is like a curved. Let's get some shot. We got a down here, wearing a magazine, and then let's get fire. 3, 2, 1, be fire. So it's really good. So make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.